Hey guys, RJ here from Wild Extreme. Today magte-test po tayo ng gaming performance ng Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 na 32GB version. Nagkakahalaga guys ang Note 8 ng 7,990 lang siya, itong 32GB version. Same price lang po sila nung nakaraan na Note 7. Tetestingin po natin siya sa NBA 2K20 at sa may GTA San Andreas sa may high settings at start na po natin. Simulan po natin guys sa may GTA San Andreas. Ngayon ko pa lang po siya bubuksan at kaka-install ko lang sa kanya ngayon. I-high settings na natin siya lahat. Ayan. Kung sa build quality lang guys, I think ang ganda ng Note 7, ng Note 8 guys. Solid siya. Parang glass na yata itong likod niya guys. Ayan, 4 cameras din siya.
After 5 years on the East Coast, it was time.
Ayan, testing na natin siya. Smooth siya guys, first impression. Hindi ako nakakaramdam ng lag sa kanya. Smooth naman siya guys. Wasted. Unang test ko sa kanya guys, I think hindi naman ito magkakaproblema. Ang smooth niya dito sa may GTA San Andreas.
Oh, you think you tough? Touch me, amigo. It takes no heart to shoot, that's it. Your piss stain. You think you're tough? Hey, get up. You think I can't fight? Hey, what you pushing me? you so calm? They've been about.
Testingin naman natin siya guys sa may NBA 2K20. Just remember guys, 3 gig lang to. Pero mataas yung processor niya. Kaya smooth siya sa games. Kahit ang high settings lahat. Dito naman natin testingin. Yung high settings din natin siya lahat. Isang mabilis na test lang. Mukhang hindi nga lang siya full screen guys. Hindi ko lang alam kung bakit. Ayan. Maka-high na siya saka ultra high.
And now a quick check of our starting lineups for both teams. And it's the Warriors to start out. Pass to Russell. To the middle. And stolen by Kyle Lowry. Gives him the lead pass. Green with the rebound.
That's terrific defense right there to prevent from converting in close.
Outside for Curry. So there's the rebound to the inside. Another shot. And the layup is good.
He got a great read of where that miss was going, and that allowed him to be the first guy to it and get the putback.
Outside for Lowry. And blocked. Out of bounds, Golden State takes possession. Here's Curry. Pass to Russell. Green left side. Collinston. The feather touch on the finger roll. Beautiful.
Beautiful feed off the bounce to his teammate there. Nicely done.
On defense, the Warriors. Guys are looking for a spark here.
Yeah, I mean, a cold stretch offensively. They desperately need a basket.
Siakam. He hits the back iron and sets the shot.
Guys, you're not going to get that shot too often. That's high risk.
Smooth din siya guys. At hindi naman siya nagiinit agad.
And we're about a minute and a half into the first quarter. Johnson left side. And the three off target. Van Vliet. Pass to Lowry. Here's Powell. Pocket six. That doesn't fall. Can't drop his first shot. Now, here is Russell. Collinston. Here's Curry. Good on the three-point shot.
D there, guys, was pretty much non-existent. I mean, you can't leave a good shooter like that open.
Warriors on D. It's a 5-point game.
Smooth naman siya dito guys sa may Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. Hindi ko na patatagalin tong test. Itong quick test na to.
It's in front of the rim and out.
Boy, that's a warm-up jumper there. I mean, when you're a pro, you can't make excuses for missing that.
Outside, Green. The quick look, no good that time.
Siguro hanggang doon na lang guys. I think guys, ulit tong Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 sa gaming. Dahil hindi naman siya mabagal, kahit 3 gig lang siya. Dahil mataas pa yung processor niya. Ka-level siya ng mga processor ng mga nagkakahalaga na almost 15,000. Pero ito guys, 7,990 lang siya, kaya sulit na sulit to. Then yun lang guys, yung aking quick test dito sa NBA 2K20 saka sa GTA San Andreas. Thank you for watching.